Are you looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Rohini, Delhi, NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to revolutionize the way you view and interact with your surroundings. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise in 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Private Limited is taking the industry by storm. Whether you need 3D scanning for architectural purposes, product development, or even virtual reality applications, they have got you covered. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a company that truly understands the power of 3D scanning services. Their team of skilled professionals is dedicated to providing you with the most accurate and detailed scans possible. From small objects to large-scale environments, they can capture it all with their state-of-the-art equipment. With their help, you can bring your ideas to life and create immersive experiences that will leave a lasting impression on your audience. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other 3D scanning services in Rohini, Delhi NCR is their commitment to excellence. They strive to exceed your expectations in every aspect of their work. From the initial consultation to the final delivery of your scanned data, they ensure that the process is seamless and hassle-free. Their attention to detail and dedication to customer satisfaction is evident in every project they undertake. One of the many advantages of choosing Scon Design India Private Ltd for your 3D scanning needs is their versatility. They have experience working across various industries, including architecture, engineering, manufacturing, and entertainment. This means that no matter what your specific requirements are, they have the knowledge and expertise to meet them. Their team will work closely with you to understand your goals and deliver a solution that exceeds your expectations. Are you looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Rohini, Delhi, NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to revolutionize the way you perceive scanning technology. With their cutting-edge equipment and skilled professionals, Scon Design India Private Ltd is at the forefront of the industry, offering unparalleled 3D scanning services that will blow your mind. When it comes to 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Private Ltd stands head and shoulders above the rest. With their state-of-the-art technology, they are able to capture even the tiniest details with utmost precision. Whether you need a simple object scanned or a complex architectural structure, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. Their team of experts will ensure that every intricate detail is captured, creating a flawless digital replica of the real thing. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from the competition is their commitment to delivering exceptional results. They understand the importance of accuracy and efficiency when it comes to 3D scanning services. That's why they have invested in the latest scanning equipment and software,